Welcome to my channel. So today I am going to put rice in my slime to make it like a Rice Krispie slime and that nice popping noise, but I did add a little bit right now, but I still need to add a lot more, like really a lot. So and I like the color a little bit, but we actually failed because we accidentally used the wrong color. So and it's gonna be super cool when we show you guys the texture. There's hair in it. That's really weird. Ew. It's long. So it's super cool. I really like the texture right now, but when later on it's gonna have really nicer texture. We're gonna put it in like let's say at 12, like 15. 12, 15 right now. It's 12. It's gonna be like a weird color, Rice Krispie. Need a couple of more minutes. Oh my god, you need to hear this, guys. Look. We just need 5 more minutes. Look at the clock. Hold on, people. Alright, that was not me, that was my sister. They keep on falling out because it's not enough. Only 2 minutes left. So, give me out. Oh. My lipstick just went viral. Sorry for that camera lockdown. I really appreciate you guys. Subscribe and leave a like and comment and enter maybe a future giveaway. Oh, minute. Give you up. Officially 12:15. Let's go. still need to add more. Like, I'm literally serious, you guys. I need to add more. The problem is that I need to add more hand sanitizer.
Power activated.
Oh, do you see, guys? I put some hand sanitizer in it so it can turn into Leo's Bionics. Just kidding. It's because I'm obsessed with it. Guys,
It looks like brains.
I know, but it's actually turning into Rice Krispie slime. Oh my god, can't you believe this? Look. Okay, go bring
Damn,
more
that
rice.
makes my nose hurt.
I know, go bring more rice. Stupid rice. Konnichiwa. Oh gosh. Somebody got too much rice.
You said a lot. You did say a lot. We have to wait for her.
So you guys, it's been about 10
It
or
looks like a
20 minutes.
meatball.
I know, huh? Honey. There you go, meatball. I still need to add more so that my Bionics. Oh my.
Here's an extra clip brought to you by Farts My Bionics.